Hello everyone, so today I will show you how you can get the information about how many delivery controllers you have configured in your stores. So by that I mean, if you go here under delivery controllers, so in today's video we will check these delivery controllers. And we will also check, I have no gateway, should have. Manage gateways. And we will also check how many STAs are configured for your gateways, all with one PowerShell script. I'm using this because I'm working with big environments where I have 3 or 4 storefronts that serve a single Citrix site, and I do not have the server group configured, so they do not share the same they do not sync between them, so each server has its own standalone configuration. And in such cases, when you have multiple storefronts and with multiple stores, if you want to check this information, it will take you a lot of time and a lot of clicking. And yeah, we want to get all this information with a single script. I will also post the link to my GitHub repository. I have it. The other one. I have it already available there, so you can just copy paste it and test it in your own environment. But yeah, let's see how it does before we go and talk more about it. So let's those are my storefronts, and I'm executing the script from a DDC because it will read from a file that contains all your storefronts, and it will do a connection on each storefront, and it will get that information. So let's just execute it, and yeah, it gets the information very quickly. So on storefront 01, I have 2 stores, and each store has this delivery controllers configured, and we can double check that. So 2 stores, and if I go to delivery controllers, then I have the same DDCs configured. And for storefront 02, I also have two stores, but one of the stores serves basically two sites. I just created that as an example. So if I go here on the custom or on the default, which one was it? Default. So I have the Tesla default, it has 2 DDCs, and the other one has 4 DDCs. And also that script, as I told you, it checks also the configured gateways and the configured STAs on each one. So with this script, you can very quickly check if you have big environment, even if you have a lot of storefronts, then you can get the information very quickly. And also the script will generate a CSV file that contains all that information. So I don't have a CSV editor, but yeah, you will you will have also the CSV, the output also in a CSV format. So this was basically it. I will not talk about the script. You will have it in the comment, the link directly to repository, and then you can check it out how I build it, and you can create your own, or you can use this one. So it's safe also in production because it doesn't do anything, it only gets information. Okay, thank you for watching, and yeah, please subscribe to my channel if you liked this type of video.